Starting date, August 2nd, 2016, 20 hours, 23 minutes and 13 seconds.
Hello.
Center 191, what is the address emergency?
3916 Pine Leaf, please, Northwest.
Are you in Albuquerque?
Yes, sir, I'm an off-duty sergeant with APD. I think my husband just 43-1. I don't know where he's at, though, but I heard the gunshot and I heard him gurgling.
Okay, let me transfer you that you reach your rancho, okay? Hold on.
No, we're not in Rio Rancho.
Excuse me?
We're not in Rio Rancho. We're in Albuquerque.
Yeah, you reach your rancho. Let me transfer you to Albuquerque, okay?
Okay.
You have reached 911. Do not hang up. Stay on the line for the next available operator. Usted ha llamado al 911. No cuelgue. Permanezca en línea para el próximo operador disponible. You have reached 911. Do not hang up. Stay on
911 emergency.
I need 34 on an off-duty APD sergeant. I think my husband... 3916 Pine Leaf Place, Northwest. I think my husband just 43-1. He's a sergeant with APD.
I didn't understand you. Is 3916 what?
Pine Leaf Place, Northwest.
Spell the street name, ma'am?
I'm sorry?
Did you spell the street name?
Pineleaf. Yes, Pine Leaf.
Okay, what's going on there, ma'am?
I think my husband is 43-1. I don't know where he's at, though, but I heard the gunshot and I heard him gurgling on the phone.
Inside the house, ma'am? Inside the house?
What?
You just heard the gunshot inside your house, right?
No. He drove somewhere. I think he's in the mesa.
Where is he at, ma'am?
I don't know. I need you to take his work phone.
Okay, ma'am.
Please.
Okay, ma'am. I need to know his name.
Anthony. December, SEDLER.
Okay, calm down for me, ma'am, please.
Okay.
I understand you're upset, but I need to try to get information.
Oh my God.
Anthony's last name is what, ma'am?
S as in Sam. EDLER. He's Sam 16.
Okay, so has he been threatening suicide, ma'am?
No.
Okay, what's his phone number, ma'am? What's his phone number?
967-9472.
9472, ma'am?
Yes, he's probably in Rio Rancho. He's probably off of Southern. If you take Southern West to the dirt road to the Perco.
You were on the phone with him, right?
Yes, he called me. He didn't say anything, and then I heard the shot, and then I just heard him making noises.
Just hang in there, ma'am, okay? You need a paramedic, ma'am?
What?
Do you need a paramedic?
I don't need a paramedic, but I'm not dressed. I was in the bath.
Okay, now does he live in Rio Rancho?
No, he lives with me. 3916 Pine Leaf. He lives at West Lady Court.
What is your name, ma'am?
Amy. I'm Sam 31.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Oh.
You're all going to stay on the line with me, okay?
I'm trying to get... God.
I'm sending up to your residence, okay?
Yeah. I need to get off the phone and get dressed.
You still have him on the line?
No. I had to call you. I had to call 911.
Okay, I hate to interrupt. This is Rio Rancho. I'm still on the line. What kind of vehicle is he driving?
He's driving a 2008 green Jeep.
Green
Rubicon.
Jeep?
Yes, it's a Rubicon. It's
Okay.
Like a U.S. plate. I don't know the plate number, though. But it's
Okay.
green.
And he frequents the Mesa that you know of?
We four-wheel out there a lot.
Okay. Do you think he might have been out there?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's his phone number again?
967-9472.
Okay. We'll do what we can on our end, okay? And then if
Okay.
I don't know if the dispatcher's still on the line. Are you still on the line?
Yes, I am.
Okay. We'll go ahead and put a bullet out for that vehicle and have the deputy check the mesa, okay?
Okay.
Get on the line with me, Amy, okay?
I'm trying to get you.
I understand, Amy. We have them on the way, okay? Just
Oh.
stay on the line, Amy.